Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. These are my two shovels. These are my acetate cards with points on them. This is my black 16 by 20 inch canvas. This is the paint I'm going to spread on it to make it damp when I swipe through. I have finally got my new black Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N, acrylic paint, which sells beautifully. I'm going to try to be quick and not worry about my edges, but it's hard to say if I'll be able to do that or not. I want to use both a shovelful of black and white because I think I'll like that. But I'd kind of like to have some on either side. You can see that I'm not making an even edge because I don't want an even edge. I'm hoping that this is going to be something that everybody can do. My Amazon link is on my link tree, which is below the video. Just says the word link tree. It might be under show more. And I put that Meeden paint right at the top, along with lots of other things. There's like 4 lists there, but you can cruise all of them pretty simply if you want to. Okay, so now I have my regular pouring recipes under the video. And I used my regular pouring recipe, and then I added a little bit of water. Still getting the hang on. I have never really used water since I started, and that was a long time ago, years back now. I'll let that accumulate. If I want to add some more of that, I will. I'm not meaning to go right down the center. I want to be offset. After I added my water to this mixture, which was only an ounce to like 18 ounces of paint, I went back and added a little more paint. So I'm not exactly sure how this is going to be. But it looks pretty good. And I'm going to put all of my other paint right over the top of those. The only reason I use the shovel is because I feel like I get a more even distribution. But since I'm pouring puddles out of my shovel, that might not be true at all. You could probably do them with squeeze bottles. The reason I'm doing them out of the shovel today is because I did them out of the squeeze bottles yesterday, and there was too much paint. So I'm going to basically use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, another wonderful tool found on the Amazon link, to excavate any of this paint that I can find more spots to put. And then do the same thing with that pink. I can already see them selling up to next to each other. Yeah, I am. I'm just dripping my paint right into the... because I want to put them into the bucket so that they don't dry on. I'm done. I like that. I could put some gold in there and tip it and probably be pretty happy. And I bet I wouldn't be the only one. I like accidental art, what can I say? Little dribbles of paint just give me a thrill sometimes. Alright, there in the bucket. So is that little spatula. I want this to be orange. No, not necessarily Halloween colors, but it is so far. And I love this hot orchid. That's an orange from it's from Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. This is a hot orchid prism pour. I found that when I did a recent painting that had a lot of pink and red in it for Linda. Hi Linda. I really enjoyed having the patterns left behind when I swipe through, so that's my plan. is to just make cool and funky patterns. That way, no matter where I swipe, I'll be pretty happy with whatever's left. It's my form of fluid art graffiti. And I'm liking it a lot. Excuse me for sniffling. That is a much lighter orange color, Velveeta. I refer to this as often. I could definitely make a painting just like this and stop, because I like it. This is mostly Anita's white metallic with some folk art neon pink. Now I'm really tempted to put another color in there, but I think the only color I really want to have left is the gold. Hopefully I have not gone crazy and put an overabundance of paint on. I'm going to try and put a little bit more on the short side, which is looking less and less short and more and more centralized. That was supposed to be offset this way. Anyway, never mind. So I have a couple of favorite of these swipe cards, and one of them is this point, because I can use all of that and pull it over to the edge of my tile. Oh yes, we're going to be very happy soon. I want some more pink. I can see now that I'm going to want some more pink. Without a doubt. Pulling the canvas over to the edge. Use whatever residuals I want. Just loop-de-loops. I'm going to wipe that off right down there. If I pick up paint, I'm going to use it. I really do love the patterns left behind too. And I love sticking the tip of my card, the point, right in. Those black and white cells are floating my boat, I want to tell you what. I've been waiting and waiting. I pre-ordered the black and I got 2 white instead, and now I'm really happy. I want a little bit more orange. Right there. I didn't get a lot, but I got some, and maybe I'm going to have some more. Put it right in there. There we go. That's what I wanted. Look at those cells. Wow! I promise eventually to stop being so excited about this. Well, maybe not. That could be a lie. Okay, so I'm really enjoying myself now. And I don't want any more black right there. Do I want some more white? I have some Meeden white. If I want some more white, I can put the white in there. And there, and there, and there, and there. Because I can. The name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link. Under the link tree next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. Yeah, I'm not unhappy I put that white in there at all. I'm trying to decide if I want another card, but I'm still enjoying what this one is doing pretty well. I want some really kind of freaky looking crossed over patterns. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm probably going to put a little more orange right there, or a lot, because every time I pull it down, I seem to lose a whole bunch. I keep thinking I should stop doing swipes, just even though I'm obsessed with them and I love them, because somebody's going to get bored, but I can't imagine anybody being bored with this right now, especially not me. Going to use my residuals on that little white overflow. I'm so glad I decided to use a big canvas. And I like making texture like that. I might want to stop at some point. I might not. When I see I've got residual paint on my card, I'm going to use it. The last time I did this, I put a few spirals in, and I don't think I mind doing it again. Not that all of them are going to show. The same as every pull isn't going to show. That's awesome! Wow! Oh my gosh! I'm very pleased. Thank you, Amazon, for sending me my black Meeden, or whoever sent it. I haven't used any of the other colors, but I'll tell you what, I really figured the black and the white as catalyst would be good enough. I'm liking all of that. Single line is sort of like the basting brush, but not, because you can definitely drag cool little patterns. I think I'm done. I know, somebody just said we've heard that before, but this time I might actually be telling the truth. I want to do just black and white soon. I want to do a couple hearts. I wonder if I can do some hearts. Then I'd have to post it for Valentine's. I love that orange in there. Well, it's a sort of a subtle heart, if it's a heart. I really like those little black and white cells so much. If I have any little dots of paint in the background from the dry canvas, they are probably there to stay. I will cover my edges at some future point. What should I tell you guys? I should say thank you. Thank you for all of the wonderful comments that you give me that keep my morale boosted. I love that you do that. You inspire me so much to do what I do, and I hope I return the favor, and it seems like I do. So thank you very much for being here. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. If you've been here for a while, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We have over 1,800 videos going on 1,900 videos. I think there'll be 1,800 aired soon enough. They're all organized on lists by the 100 and also by topic and genre. I've torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I don't have any leftover paint. I kind of want that white to go right there. And maybe there too. I've never tried pulling after I torch, but the paint is really warm. And it's not gooey at all. Maybe that's the water in there. But it's really cool. So I love you guys. There's over 91,700 of you probably. Although, that could be my assumption for when I finally get around to posting this. And I might want to post this sooner. Woo! I might have to do a multiple shovel color pour where I just dribble and pull. That might be neat. Maybe I'll tip it and then do that. So, I love you guys, and check my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, all on the link tree, along with my website. Below the link tree is my email address to contact me in case you are interested in making a purchase of a painting or requesting that I post the artwork to Teespring Clothing or Pixels.com in Find It America to become t-shirts or yoga mats or coffee mugs or shower curtains or duvet covers. You name it, it's all there. So I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I will be thrilling somebody pretty soon because look at those cells! Oh my gosh! I gotta zoom in for you guys. I just can't even believe it. I'm in love. I'm having such a good time. Alright, I've got 2 minutes, but I'm going to go right down the center. Well, that goes beep, beep, beep. That's as zoomed in as I can get, and I'm going to turn that timer off. And I don't think I'm going to need two minutes to ask you guys, can I please have a thumbs up? And tell you when you share my videos, if you want to help me by standing on YouTube, purchasing a painting is the best. Next thing is contributing through PayPal or Patreon to keep me making videos, and you can find the prizes for the drawing that you'll be automatically entered in on the exhibition video on the end screen of the last 20 seconds of every video. Also, shop my Amazon link, and you'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of great tools, and the Meeden paint. Where is it? No, it's not close enough. M-E-E-D-E-N. Black and white for me for a start. My community board has tomorrow's video on it, as does Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, that Facebook group. If you watch the videos longer, you help me out. Your thumbs up is very appreciated and helps me out. Your comments help me out. And thank you for all the donations that have kept me painting all this time. Make sure to check on Teespring Clothing underneath the video. You will find Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. I so love you guys. Thank you for being here. I enjoyed having you almost as much as I enjoyed making that painting. Woohoo! I'll see you anon. I post every day at 3:15, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. See ya. Hopefully tomorrow. Bye. Woo!